Uh-oh. Alright guys, well, you saw last video we did the KFX 700. Don brought us another quad we never rode, right Code?
That's right.
Give us the rundown, buddy, you know the drill.
2005 Z400 Suzuki. Pretty much all stock engine-wise, stock pipe.
People love their Z400s, don't they, Code?
Oh, yeah. Everyone has told us they wanted us to ride one, so.
Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. We, you know, as you guys know, we're more of a Honda 400EX type people, mainly because we never rode one of these, but apparently, Dom, they got a little more power, don't they?
Yep.
Than the 400EX?
Yep, a little more power.
These things are kind of bulletproof too, aren't they?
Oh yeah, they're a good motor. I've had a few of them.
They're not gonna wow you power-wise, but solid trail bike, right?
Oh yeah.
Yep. So anyway, Code, how about we just get right into it and see what we think of her, huh, man?
Let's do it.
Oh man, you're true Suzuki guy.
All right. Oh, just like my Quad Ranger, they like that.
Suzuki, buddy! Gotta love it. How's it compared?
It feels nice.
How's it compared to your 400EX, old man?
I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell.
In the snow, but
It feels nice. So I mean, it goes pretty damn good. Feels like it might be a little bit fast. But my 400EX is way tighter though.
yeah.
This one feels a little.
This one's probably been rode, yeah.
Little. But it's not bad. It's a lot of fun. It's a nice starter quad.
Yeah.
Really.
Code, buddy. First impressions of the Zook, man.
Pretty much like the old man. It did seem a little bit faster than our 400EX, but
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, the 400EX is definitely tighter, but.
Dominic beat the hell out of it.
We'll rip up the yard!
We'll rip it up my yard!
Whatever. Oh, you gonna do it? Oh, shit! Oh! Oh, dang, you almost nailed that trick. I keep forgetting, man, the head's reversed, buddy.
Oh, yeah, I guess that's kind of nice.
Yeah.
Definitely a little snappier.
Comes code. Code, when you were gone, Dom damn near clipped a tree with the Suzuki.
Is he in there? Yeah. He's in there right now.
Hopefully he makes it out.
This thing is great for playing around with the snow.
It is. I wonder what it'd be like in the dunes.
Oh, I gotta give her a try, oh man. I gotta give her a try, buddy.
Take her through the woods, man. Uh-oh. Dom, I got her, buddy. I got it. Uh-oh.
Damn, did you flip it? Oh no! Oh shit! Dom, what happened, buddy?
I was sliding sideways and it hit the snowbank and the front end stopped and then it...
Oh man, tell me you got that!
I got it.
Oh, oh no, dude! This is your nice quad. Is she good, dude?
Yeah, this is like my favorite.
Oh god, wait till we tell code.
Break anything, buddy?
No, it was a pretty slow.
The only thing you broke was your
I don't.
pride.
It didn't even bend the bar. I caught I fell off of it and then I kind of caught it and it just kind of barely touched the ground.
Oh shit, man.
You suck? That goddamn quad. You got her good, buddy.
Leave it to the old man to get stuck, right, buddy?
Yeah. I don't know. I felt like I was gonna break that freaking. I don't really care for that part of it.
Yeah.
That is goofy. I don't want to twist thing.
How's the Raptor doing, buddy?
Good.
Now that you can keep her up.
Yeah.
I want you to go all the way over next time.
Yeah, you gotta really sell it for YouTube, right, buddy?
she's fun.
Yeah.
She's a little, I think a little pizzazzier more than our 400EX or Honda, but
Right, yeah.
And then it's 50 inches.
this one felt a little more looser.
Yep. Exactly.
not-
This one's probably been rode a lot more than.
Which I guess really isn't a bad thing, but you know, she's fun. I mean,
Yeah.
that's all you can really ask for with these babies.
Okay, man. So this video series, we did the KFX and we did the 400. If you had to choose, which one's more you?
This one.
This one? The 400.
Yeah. I don't know. That one's a freaking tank, boys. She's a tank. I mean,
Yeah.
Fry's dad got her stuck.
Well, I don't know what the hell-
He's got to throw his father
I don't
under
know
the
what
bus.
hell I'm doing.
Yeah, but guys, I mean, super shout out to Dom for bringing us 2 quads we've never rode before. And
But
not the best elements to test them, but at least we got a good feel for them.
that one I think surprised all of us the most.
Yeah.
We kind of knew what to expect with this one a little bit,
Right.
but
I can definitely see why people like both of them, though. They both
oh yeah,
are super fun. And yeah, man. And you know, these are both for sale. Dom flips quads for a living, so if anybody likes them that much,
anything Dom has probably
Has a price tag.
Yeah. I don't know if the Z does though.
all right, guys, that'll do it for our review of the Suzuki LTZ 400. I guess we never really got everyone's thoughts. We'll start with the old man. What'd you think of it, man, compared
I liked it. It was,
to your 400EX?
it's got a little bit more than my 400EX, but I'm still a Honda fan, so I
Hey,
like my
this is a-
400EX.
Yeah.
What'd you think, buddy?
Well, I like the 400EX more, but pretty much like the old man said, it's faster.
Yeah.
This one's faster, so.
And then my thoughts, probably the nicest 400 I've ever rode.
You say that about every
I'm just kidding. I was giving him crap. But no, she was fun. I was trying to get it stuck, guys. I don't know if you see my Corey's film. I was trying to get it stuck and I couldn't do it. That kind of impressed me, you know. She fought through the snow pretty good. Yeah, guys. I mean, it's a good beginner quad if you're looking to get into.
Great trail bike for sure.
If you're looking to get into manual and a step before the 450s, definitely would highly recommend. As always, it's for sale if you want it. Dom sells machines all the time, so just hit him up, you know. But anyway, guys, hit our social links down below and some of the companies we work with. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one.